Hello and welcome to my living room. Weird, huh? Today we are going to clean and decorate. I still have some winter decor up. I know it's still technically winter and there's still snow outside, so it's okay. But today I'm going to get rid of all that. I'm going to clean up. I'm going to freshen up. I'm going to decorate for spring. So let's do it.
So I started by giving everything a good dusting because everything was covered in dust. And I actually found a marshmallow from Christmas when the elf was wreaking havoc. Dusted all around the TV and underneath. I really need to move the TV and get behind it, but this is the best I could do. I love these little Swiffer dusters. There's tape on the mantle, and oh, I probably should have done that. There's now dust in my eyes. Violet put stickers on everything. I don't know. These are like corner stickers you use for photos. There's a bluey sticker. That's not blue, but it's a bluey sticker. Anybody else's kids do that? Just put stickers on random crap? So I actually did dust the picture frames, which I never do because there was massive cobwebs in the corners, but I just never noticed them until I actually went to do this. So the cobwebs were, yeah, there they are. So anyway, killed those cobwebs, and oh god, yeah, there's a lot of them. I probably should do this more often. Anyway, that got finally done, and the windowsill had a little bit, not too much, just behind the curtain. And then I continued just to pick up the living room. Every time I turn around, there's more stuff on the floor, like the pandas my mom brought back from China. So then I just gave everything a good vacuum. I did the floor and the rug, and just, you know, getting the regular day-to-day kid crap off the floor. Violet is major into crafting, so you can imagine what that does. So time to decorate. I got out my box of spring things. I really need to polish this jug, but I kind of like the tarnish. The flowers came from Temu, believe it or not. They're actually really nice. This is a piece of coral that my dad brought back from some tropical location. It's very old and very fragile, but I love it. So I got out my little 2 bunnies and a giant egg, and put just a little bit of Easter on the piano. But they're pretty cute. So moving on to the mantle, time to get rid of the pine cones and the wintry things and try and figure out what to do for spring. Those little flowers TJ made out of pipe cleaners, I will definitely use those from somewhere in the spring mantle. I've got some little candles of bunnies, and there we go. That's what I'll do with them. Flowers will be next to the bunnies. And I replaced the pine cones with these wooden eggs. And then, oh yeah. Welcome to my life. I am a disaster. Nothing broke, but everything fell apart. So time to repurpose these books, find a new way of styling them for spring. I really want to put some other color books there, but for now they're going to be red or rust or whatever you want to call this color. And just put my Bath and Body Works candle back and these faux flowers that I've had for a long time. And I actually just found this marble egg when I was cleaning up. I knew I had it somewhere. I love to use this briefcase, suitcase, whatever you want to call it, that I found at a yard sale for decor for all the seasons. But I never really know what I'm going to do with it, so I just have to like play around and see what I end up with. There's always some combination of flowers or stems and a candle and some old books, sort of combination. These little glass egg ornaments I've had for a very long time, but I've never used them. I just keep forgetting I have them. So I thrifted this Ray Dunn like mug and plate ages ago, like 3 or 4 years ago, maybe even more. I never know what to do with it. It's very cute, but I never know what to do with it. This is a little Happy Easter card. I think it was a calendar at one time, you know, a little small calendar on the bottom. It's from the 80s, but it's meant to look vintage anyway. Violet thinks it's creepy, so I just hide it away. I like it, but I agree, it is a little bit creepy. It's just a giant bunny school teacher, but yet the children are human. But it's, yeah, a little off-putting. So I found my I'm down picture when I was cleaning up as well. It was actually in the cabinet with the books and records.
Okay, I think I'm done. I will show you the areas of my living room that I decorated, and Violet did her little tweaks and moved stuff around and played with things, but I'll show you what I finally came up with. So here on top of the piano, I have that silver jug that kind of lives there all the time, and I put these peonies in there. I actually got these from Temu, the very first order that I ever put into Temu, just to see what it was like. Not bad. They're pretty cute. This little two bunny giant egg situation, I got that at Winners years ago. It has been broken and glued back together a few times. This little ship in a bottle was my dad's. So was this coral. It was brought back from some island adventure that he had. So it is very old and fragile. This doesn't actually go at all, but I stuck it up there because it was Eastery. I have these little, I think they're paper eggs, like they're very light, and this little Dollarama dish of eggs. I don't know where else to put that. I don't know if it's going to stay there because, you know, it's very pretty and pastel and classy, and then, so we'll see. We'll see if that stays there. Over here on my mantle, we've got my little kissing bunny candles that I thrifted years ago, and I absolutely love them. I don't have the heart to light them. These are wooden eggs that I stuck in there that I got from Winners a few years ago. These little flowers TJ made last year, and I was had them stand up there, but they just wouldn't stay, so they're gonna stick in there with the eggs. This was really fun. I printed this like 8 years ago. I thought it was really funny because it's a duck and ducks have down. So anyway, funny to me. Just move the candlesticks. I mean, they're pretty much always there. And then over here, I love decorating with my old books. I have so many old books and I love to use them. I wanted to get like pastel colors. I might go up and switch these out in a minute. But these are the ones I had downstairs. So I'll go upstairs and see if I can find some like greens or I don't know. We'll see. This is my current candle, the Palo Santo and Sage. Really nice. Had this marble egg forever. Again, I think it was thrifted or a yard sale. These fake flowers came from Winners. Again, like I have not bought anything in a long time, thrifted or otherwise. The little eggs hanging from the tree, Violet put up there. There's little bunnies and little eggs and little chicks and a little birdhouse. It's all really cute. We have more to go up there, so I don't know if we'll do that or just leave it as is. So yeah, there I am, and there is my mantle. So in this corner, I always like to decorate with this suitcase, briefcase thing that I got at a yard sale. So I put some of the old books in there. Kind of went with the green on this side. My green dish that had pine cones in it on my mantle and filled it with these glass egg ornaments, which my plan was to hang them, but I don't know, they're kind of too pretty to risk breaking. Move my green candles into smaller candle holders over here. These are just fake flowers from Dollarama, and this came from a thrift store. It's not vintage, but it looks vintage. I think it's from the 80s to look vintage. This little pottery thing came from a thrift store, and that's this little corner. So that's my living room decor. We cleaned, we decorated, and it's actually, I really like it. I feel like I need some things in other parts of the house, but this is all I have. I was really hoping past couple times I went thrifting I'd find some Eastery, springy things, but no such luck. So that's all I'm doing for now. We have friends coming over for supper, so that's all I can do. I gotta go cook. If you're still watching, thank you. Don't forget to hit the like button, to subscribe if you haven't, pop me a little comment, even a little heart or something. It all really helps to boost my videos through the algorithm, because we all know it doesn't know what it wants lately. So thanks for watching. I'm glad you're here, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye.